Clove, also known as Syzygium aromaticum, is a popular spice with a long history of use in traditional medicine. Cloves are the dried flower buds of the clove tree, which is native to Indonesia but is now cultivated in other parts of the world as well. Cloves have a distinctive flavor and aroma, making them a common ingredient in many different types of cuisine. In this video, we will explore the many health benefits of clove. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Relieves toothache. One of the most well-known benefits of clove is its ability to relieve toothache. Clove contains a compound called eugenol, which has anesthetic properties that numb the area and reduce pain. Simply apply a drop or two of clove oil directly to the affected tooth and surrounding gum area for relief. Reduces inflammation. Clove has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the body. This makes it effective in treating various conditions such as arthritis, muscle pain, and soreness. Clove be used topically as a massage oil or taken internally as a supplement. Improves digestion. Clove improves digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. It also helps relieve indigestion, bloating, and gas. Clove can be added to meals as a spice or taken as a supplement to aid digestion. Boosts immune system. Clove is rich in antioxidants that help boost the immune system and protect the body against diseases and infections. Clove oil be diffused into the air to promote a healthy immune system, or clove be added to foods as a spice to increase antioxidant intake. Respiratory health. Clove has antimicrobial properties that help reduce the symptoms of respiratory infections such as cough, cold, and asthma. Clove oil be diffused into the air or applied topically to the chest to help open up airways and reduce inflammation. Reduces stress. Clove help reduce stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation and improving mood. Clove oil can be diffused into the air or applied topically to the skin to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Improves blood circulation. Clove improves blood circulation by dilating blood vessels and reducing the risk of blood clots. Clove be added to meals as a spice or taken as a supplement to promote healthy blood flow. Regulates blood sugar. Clove help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake by cells. Clove be taken as a supplement or added to meals as a spice to help regulate blood sugar levels. Prevents cancer. Clove has anti-cancer properties that help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells. Clove can be taken as a supplement to help reduce the risk of cancer. Protects liver. Clove protects the liver against damage caused by toxins and free radicals, thus improving liver function. Clove be taken as a supplement to promote healthy liver function. In conclusion, clove is a powerful spice with many health benefits, ranging from relieving toothache and reducing inflammation to improving digestion, boosting the immune system, and preventing cancer. Clove be used in a variety of ways, including as a spice in food, as a supplement, or as an essential oil.